Hi, in this video we will learn about how to host a static website in GitHub, and this is mainly useful when we want to publish a static website publicly, or if we want to make the website to be accessible within the organization. We can also use this GitHub feature to start host our static website. So let's directly get into the demo now. I'm in my GitHub console, so let me create a repository. I'll give it a name as like a subnet calculator, and we'll give the description same. And I want to make this website available publicly, so I'm making this repo to be accessible public. And let me add the readme, create a repository. Now my repo is created, so let me add one file to my main branch directly. I'll go to my editor. So I have this index.html file which is in small application like this subnet calculator, and this basically gives the number of IPs that are available based on the CIDR range that we provide. Also, like, it will give subnet mask and broadcast IP and all these things. So it's a simple application. I'm just copying this index.html code. I'll create one file over here directly on the main branch. Let me create a file with the name index.html, and pasting the content over here. This is very small application, so committing the change. And in your case, like, whatever the application that you have, you can paste that, like, index.html into this root directory, and you can make the website available publicly. Even, like, you can also keep this index.html file in the other directories as well, but for now I'm keeping it in the root directory. So commit the changes. Now I've got my index.html which contains my application code. Okay, so to make this website available publicly, I need to go to settings and pages. So these GitHub pages we can use to make our use to host our static website. So from the, like, deploy from a branch to main branch to the root. So here I can use the other directories as well. For now I'm just selecting the root and save it. There you go. Our static website has been hosted now. So the link will be something like, let me access this, https colon slash slash, I think it should be www dot slash our repository name. I'll copy our repository name so that my website will be served. Advanced, proceed. It isn't available. Let me just see without www. Okay, so it should be without www, so it's coming out now. So for example, if I give an CIDR like 192.168.0.10/24, it will give me how many IPs that we can use, and last usable IP, first usable IP, broadcast IP, network. So this is very small application that I have hosted in my GitHub repository now. So likewise, you can also host any kind of static website in the GitHub very simply by using a feature from GitHub pages. Here you can also use GitHub Actions, but that's not the topic of discussion today. So, and for example, if I give another CIDR range 100.0.0.10 slash, for example, I'll give 16. So it will give me these many IPs that I can use, and last usable, first usable, broadcast, and something like that. So it is 10 dot. Okay, so if I give 100, it will give me 100 series ranges. So that is how it works. And that's all for this demo. Thanks for watching.